Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of GD&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the GD&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to GD&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NDTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. So GDTP personal certification has two types of certification. One is ASME GDTP technologist certification, which I have discussed in my previous session, and today we will be discussing on ASME GDTP senior level certification. So this certification, senior level certification, is currently available in two standards: ASME Y14.5M 1994 or ASME Y14.5 2009. So you may be worrying which certification would suit for me. So I will try to give you an insight what this certification is all about, so that you will be able to make the informed decisions. The senior level examination emphasizes knowledge, selection and application of dimensioning and tolerancing principles, concepts and practices contained in ASME Y14.5M 1994 or ASME Y14.5 2009, including the appendices. Certification includes that the individual has demonstrated the competencies in understanding of geometric tolerancing and related principles, tolerance calculation, datum feature selection, application of modifiers in the feature controls, and composite tolerances. Requirements are as follows: the applicant must have 5 years or 60 months of documented experience in the field of GD&T in the recognized use of system in both application and understanding. Successfully passed the senior GDTP examination. Note, it is not the required to be a certified GDTP technologist to qualify for the senior level certification. ASME membership is not an exam requirement. So then who should get certified? Product, in case of product design, design engineers, manufacturing engineers, tooling engineers, draft person. If you work in product design, manufacturing or tooling engineer, or as a draft person in industries that design and manufacture the complex products or systems, operate a global supply chains, face a strict regulatory requirements, involve multiple sites or locations, or work with distributed teams, or manage a projects that require precision in their design and manufacturing process. GD&T is a critical to achieve first time right success. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.